Are you looking for the best toaster ovens? In this video we will look at some of the best toaster ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. While the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a more mid-sized machine at a lower price point, we found in testing the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is worth the extra money and space it occupies. The digital interface makes it an intuitive machine with 13 preset functions including air fry, slow cook, roast, broil, bake, cookies, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, proof, dehydrate and warm. The rack levels are printed right on the door for ease of use. This model does a preheat cycle for most settings, which is an additional step and takes a few extra minutes, but it adds a level of precision in the cooking not seen in many of the other machines. This did every task perfectly and in a short amount of time. It has a spring-loaded door, which takes a minute to get used to, but then is a nice feature. Like the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, it comes with a 13-inch nonstick pizza tray, wire rack, broiling rack, 9x13 enamel roasting pan, air fry basket and crumb tray, and has additional accessories for purchase: bamboo cutting board, pizza stone and pizza crisper pan. The oven will also fit standard 9x13 casserole dishes and a quarter sheet pan, which gives it versatility to cook many things. You could also fit a standard 5-quart Dutch oven in this machine, if you wanted to. It also comes in several finishes, so can really be purchased to match your kitchen and decor. Number 2. Cuisinart TOA 65 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you're looking to get the most value out of your toaster oven, you should spring for a model with air frying capability. The Cuisinart TOA 65 has enough room for roasting a whole chicken, air frying wings, making toast and heating up a frozen pizza. The workhorse has an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, the pre-programmed settings make sense and most of the features work well, eliminating the need for individual specialty equipment. This model produced golden brown toast with good texture and churned out a half-a bag of frozen fries in minutes. The air fry basket can be a bit tough to remove, so take that into account and use an oven mitt when reaching for your food. Bone-in skin on chicken breasts came out with moist meat and crunchy skin after 45 minutes, and we found store-bought sugar cookie dough baked well according to package instructions. While it does come with fewer presets than the Breville, this model is sure to do the trick for those who want to expand their air frying horizons without sacrificing the functionality of a toaster oven. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Easy Reach. With the smallest countertop footprint of the models we tested, this no-frills toaster oven nails the basics: toasting, broiling and baking. Perfect for singles that only need a slice of toast or a couple fresh-baked cookies, or for cooking a personal pizza if your roommate commandeered the oven for the night. The roll-top lid, meaning the lid rolls over the toaster when open, is a great and unique safety feature, as you're less likely to burn yourself with the door out of the way. Plus, the red hue adds a nice pop of color to your countertop. Number 4. Panasonic FlashXpress. There's a setting for every family member, including waffle, roll, pizza, hash brown and of course, toast, on this whimsically designed toaster oven. This small toaster oven can live comfortably next to the coffee pot or store easily in a cupboard. With double infrared heating, it cooks food quickly without waiting for a preheat. Toast up to 4 slices of bread at a time or revive fried leftovers.